How to preview your Shopify theme on your phone. To preview your Shopify store theme using the mobile app, start by logging into your Shopify admin account within the app. Once you're in, tap on Store, then go to Online Store, and choose Manage All Themes. From there, select the theme you'd like to preview. Tap the three dots located next to Theme and choose Preview. This will open your store in a new browser window, giving you a live view of how your website looks directly on your phone. If you want to make adjustments and see how they will appear, you can tap Customize to open the theme editor. Inside the editor, use the Mobile View toggle to switch to the mobile layout. This is especially useful for making sure your store looks great and functions smoothly on smaller screens. Checking the mobile version of your store helps you provide a better shopping experience for customers browsing on their phones. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.